Hi everyone, I'm Madhvi Reddy. I'm a certified financial planner. Welcome to channel. So, can Chat GPT, artificial intelligence, Google search can replace financial advisors? So nowadays, everyone using Google or artificial intelligence, Chat GPT for taking financial decisions. Is this right? Is this correct? Or is this right way of taking financial decision based on that? But you need to understand the difference between search and research. Search means there are different much more information is available in front of you, which is might be relevant or irrelevant. And research means you are making certain informed decision making based on your needs or your objectives, your goals, and your risk taking ability, your needs. So this is more specific. So we can say the Chat GPT or artificial intelligence, or could be Google search, cannot replace financial advisory, because Google search or these tools may not take the responsibility or accountability if you make any losses, if you got any kind of discomfort while taking the decision making. But whereas financial advisors do take the responsibilities, because they are registered, they are experienced, they have got knowledge, and they are updating themselves, and it will be very customized suggestions, and the advisors will be given, rather than in Google will be giving more options to get more confusion. Out of 800 schemes, out of 1600 stocks which are listed in stock exchange NSE, and out of 6000 stocks, there are almost 6000 listed stocks are there. So people get confused with these varied of options. So better to have a financial consultant or financial planner or financial advisor. Is better to take the help to get customized and specified in decisions based on your needs, because we do take the accountability, we do take the responsibility if there is something goes wrong. Whereas Google, whatever, or Chat GPT information, they don't take the accountability or the responsibility for the information on which basis you have taken the important decision, financial decisions of your life, which will definitely have some impact in your future financial aspects. So once again, think about it while using the search engine or Google search or AI tools or Chat GPT before taking any financial decisions, like selecting the stock, selecting the mutual funds, or any kind of information. Please do reach us.